Dear student, today our video is about general knowledge of USA. This is very important video, and we have focused many important things that other video makers have not done in this respect. So first thing first, question number 1, snowy state in US is
Vermont.
Question number 2, where is Pearl Harbor?
Hawaii.
Question number 3, which state touches two oceans?
Alaska.
Question number 4, which state is nickname of
Georgia.
Question number 5, southern side of USA is
Mexico.
Mexico is a country that is on the southern side of USA. Question number 6, what is northern neighboring country?
Canada.
Question number 7, what is Puerto Rico?
An island of USA.
Question number 8, garden state is in USA is
New Jersey.
Question number 9, where is Death Valley?
California.
Where is Death Valley? It is in California. It is the lowest point in USA, and it is a desert that mostly known as that the stones change their positions, and a person who go in this place, he might be lost his life. Question number 10, most dangerous city in USA. It is Albuquerque. In New Mexico, it is dangerous on crime rate. Question number 11, National Day of USA, 4 July 1776. So USA got independence from British colonial system. Question number 12, which country is called Uncle Sam? USA. आप आपने बोलना, ठीक है. First state that joined USA was Delaware. The highest point in USA is Mount Denali, and Mount Denali is situated in Alaska. Lowest point in USA, Death Valley. Where is the oldest tree of the USA? Oldest tree is in California, and it is that tree might be the age of Egyptian pharaohs. So the most oldest tree. Smallest state in the USA, it is Rhode Island. Which US state consists of island? It is Hawaii on the western side in Atlantic Ocean. There are many islands in this state. Question number 19, which state is called Apple State? It is New York. Question number 20, oldest city of USA, Saint Augustine. And historic city is also, it is developed by Spanish explorers, and it is in the state of Florida. Question number 21, which state has maximum percentage of forest? It is Maine. 89% area is covered with forest. It is also called Alpine State. Question number 22, most popular attraction for tourists. It is Grand Canyon in the state of Utah. Question number 23, largest state by population is California. Question number 24, when British came in America first time? The Britishers came in USA in America continent in 1620. Question number 25. Where is Hollywood in? Hollywood is the biggest film industry in the world. It is in Los Angeles, California. Question number 26. Which state is refrigerator of USA? It is Alaska. It's very cold, and its city Fairbanks is the coldest city in USA.
Very cold.
That has minus 66 degrees Celsius. Question number 27. Most popular destination of American tourists outbound when they go outside the America. What is their favorite place or favorite attraction? That is Europe. And in Europe, the most specific place is England, London. Question number 28. Where most white people live in? Vermont state, 99%. All colors are given by God. So, but this is demography. It is about demography. Question number 29. Where is Niagara Falls? It is between USA and Canada. If more specific, in New York. Question number 30. Where is the tallest tree of the world? It is also in California. Now some things special about national river Rio Grande. Rio Grande means it's a Spanish name. Rio means river, and Grande means great. Great river is Rio Grande. Question number 30, part number 2. National bird of USA, bald eagle. National fruit of USA is blueberry. National flower of USA is rose. National tree of USA is oak tree. National animal of USA is bison. Bison is like a bull. National game of US, baseball. Question number 33. Which state was purchased from France? It is Louisiana in 1803 in the amount of $15 million. Louisiana that America bought from France was very big, and it is about 14 states can make one Louisiana that was purchased from France. Question number 34. Which states were purchased from Spain? These are Florida and California, New Mexico, Texas, some parts of Colorado, and Arizona. They were bought from Spain. Question number 35. Which state was purchased from Russia? So this is Alaska, 1867 in the amount of $9.2 million. Question number 36. Which island was purchased from Denmark? An island also was purchased from Denmark. America purchased it. It is Virgin Island. This island is near Puerto Rico in Caribbean Sea. Question number 37. Chicken state in USA, Iowa. Number 1 in eggs and chicken producing. Question number 38. Smallest written constitution. That is USA, smallest written constitution. And question number 39. Largest written constitution is of India. Question number 40. Country that has unwritten constitution are. These three countries have not written constitution. They have unwritten constitution. One is UK, New Zealand and Israel, and these three countries have not a written constitution, but they are governing their countries very well. Question number 41. Largest library in the world is in USA. Largest border of the world is 49 parallel USA and Canada. Question number 43. Pago Pago or Pago Pago is the capital of American Samoa. American Samoa is the last country where the sun set. Question number 44. Which American city resembles London? Look like London, its building, its other things resembles with London. That is Boston. Question number 45. Which fruit USA imports from Mexico? These are mango, banana and avocado. These are main fruits. There are some other fruits that USA also import from Mexico. Question number 46. Which state of USA has maximum border with other states? It is Tennessee, and it has border with 8 US states. Question number 47. Largest railway station in USA is in New York. Question number 48. Largest airport in USA. 47 was railway and 48 is airport, that is in Dallas. Question number 49. Largest mountain range in USA, that is Rocky Mountains. And question number 50. Largest highway of USA is US 20. So like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.